Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to install a Node.js in your PC. So for that, just open any browser and click on the search bar, just type Node download. You can see this a first link, click on this and select the LTS version. The version number might get changed in the future when you are seeing this video, but you have to download the latest LTS version only. So if you want to download it for other PCs, you can change it from here and just click on the download. So it is now downloaded, you can see as here. And so just click on open file, just click on next, select license and agreement, click on next. We can change the file location if you want to change. I want to keep it in my drive where my Windows is installed, so I do not want to change it. Click on next, next. We can click this and next and click on install. You have to click on yes, but I've already installed it, so I'm clicking no. So after clicking yes, it will take some time and process will finish and this kind of page will appear. Then click on finish and then just go to the search bar and type command promote and this will open, and here just type node, and if it is coming like you are good to go, the node has been properly installed in your device.